In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to set travel reminders in Navan, a software that's designed to make managing your business travel as smooth and efficient as possible. If you're someone who struggles with keeping track of all your travel details, this video is for you. Stick around because we're going to cover exactly how you can set reminders in Navan and ensure your trips run without a hitch. First off, you might be wondering what Navan actually is. It's a powerful travel management platform that allows businesses to book, manage, and track their business trips. It simplifies the process by centralizing all your travel info in one place. Now let's dive into how you can set travel reminders within Navan to make sure you never miss an important flight or meeting. To start setting travel reminders in Navan, head over to the Trips section. This is where all your upcoming travel details are stored, and it's the best place to begin setting up reminders. Once you're in the trip details, you'll find a reminder section that allows you to specify when you want to be notified. You can customize the notifications based on your preferences, whether it's a reminder about a flight, a hotel check-in, or even an upcoming meeting while you're on the road. Navan gives you the flexibility to set these reminders anywhere from a few hours before to several days in advance, ensuring that you're always in the loop. One of the best things about Navan's reminder feature is that you don't have to manually add each piece of information. The platform automatically pulls in details like flight times, hotel bookings, and meeting schedules directly from your itinerary. This means that once you've added your trip, the system does most of the heavy lifting for you, keeping everything organized without you having to constantly check your calendar. You can even set reminders for things like rental car pickups or specific activities that are part of your trip. These reminders are sent straight to your phone or email, ensuring that you never miss an important detail. What sets Navan apart from other travel management tools is how intuitive and user-friendly it is. Everything from setting travel reminders to reviewing your trip itinerary is designed to save you time and reduce stress. You're able to make quick changes to your trip, get real-time updates, and easily set your reminders without having to jump through hoops. Another thing I want to mention is that Navan's platform integrates seamlessly with other business tools, like your email and calendar apps. This means that setting travel reminders can be done even faster, as your travel details can sync automatically with your personal calendar, further reducing the risk of forgetting important appointments while you're away. Now, if you're new to Navan and this all sounds pretty great, here's the best part. You can start using Navan for free through the exclusive link in the description below. This will give you access to a trial with additional bonuses that will help you get the most out of the platform. Whether you're a frequent business traveler or just looking for a way to better manage your trips, Navan can save you tons of time and frustration. So, to recap, setting travel reminders in Navan is super simple. Just go to your trip details, customize your notifications, and let the platform handle the rest. With everything from flights to rental cars covered, Navan makes it easier than ever to stay organized while traveling. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below. It's a perfect opportunity to try out the software.